Hey guys, what is up? So it is Wednesday, and I've decided every Wednesday I will upload a video. So today's video is going to be a Roblox tour of my Bloxburg home. So yeah. I'm kind of stinky, hang on, be right back. Okay guys, so I am back, and my stats are good now. So, here's my tour. Okay, so we're gonna start over this way. So this is my garage. I have Mikey's bike and my bike. Out here I have a firework, and here's my doorbell and my porch light. And here we come in, and there's my welcome light. Not welcome light. My welcome mat and my light. And we're lagging. Okay, there we go. We have some lights across here. Let's start over here. We go in here, and this is the living room. So I have a fireplace, some candles, a couch. Over here we have a TV. And it's usually kept on this channel. And we have these couches. Then we come over here, it's like the library area. And here's going to be the fitness room. Come out here, we have our backyard. We have our box. Switch that on. Let's go this way. Okay. And here is just an empty room. Then we come this way into the kitchen. And then if you got this side, this is that area. Go upstairs. Okay. This is Mikey's room. He has a TV, a dresser, some Star Wars posters, some toys, and a computer and a guitar. We go this way, and this is my room. Picture of me when I was 11. I'll save pictures. That TV, radio, something I drew, or lagging. This is supposed to be a balcony, but I don't know how to make it. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Okay, in here, just empty stuff. More empty. And more empty, more empty. And Autumn's room. Okay, we're gonna go this way. This way, and this way. And if we come over here, this is the bathroom. So that's the house. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that big like button, and turn on post notifications, and comment down below. And that's it for the video. Bye guys. I can just turn it off. I don't know how to. Okay, there we go.